Wala naman din ako magagawa. Alangan iwan ko sa biyanan. Anong mangyari, ako pang dahilan. Love, love! Love! There's something happening, love. I'm naalala mo pa rin ako. Ready, filming. Take one.
Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, good morning. Balik na tayo dito, guys. Hindi ko sinukla yung buhok ko, guys. Katatapos ko lang naligo. Pero, hindi ko sinukla. Good morning. And it's almost 11 o'clock. Kakain lang kami. Kasi we're going to see yung ina niya. I will eat a little bit. That I won't get hungry. There's another chicken over there. You like that? I knew it. And pasensya na guys sa mukha ko, guys. Kasi wala talaga akong anik-anik, guys. Rayhan, say good morning.
Morning, guys. My hair's a mess.
Mine too.
No brush.
Yeah, mine too. I don't brush.
And yours doesn't get a mess anyway.
No, look at this. Look at mine. And yeah, so we're just, guys, it's gloomy out, right, honey? You want rice, hon?
But now she hears the microwave.
Gonna have nothing. Gustong-gusto ni Tami yung chicken adobo, lechon paksiw ko, guys. Na yung rotisserie chicken, gusto-gusto ni Tami mo eh. May tamimuyot, may tamimuyat. Iwan ko, uy, ano ba? What is that? October 1, right? Guys, October 1 already, guys. My goodness. And after this, it's Halloween. And after this, it's Thanksgiving. And after that, it's Christmas. And after that, New Year. Another lost weight resolution. But it's just 1 week exercise and then stop. Honey.
Just like that. Something just like that.
Okay. I'm also just finished my video, guys. So, and that one is like 1 minute. And I'm downloading.
With that rice? You sure?
Yeah. Well, I'm downloading and uploading video right now. Download. Why I keep saying download, hon? Anyway, guys, I will see you later, guys. I will bring my laptop also with me because I need to bring it. I need to edit more video. And these two dogs are sad because they're always sad every time we leave. That's the thing about them. I've been using this, guys. It's kind of tight, but I like it. This is a Philippine. I just found this in the Philippines before when I went back to the Philippines. Yeah, and then now they have it in Walmart. I said, the copycat. This is Philippine product. This is Philippine product. And now, Walmart copycat. Huh?
They've been around for 100 years.
Ah, Philippine copycat. And Tommy said for 100 years. Like, he's been 100 years. Like, Tommy, what the heck is wrong with you? We are living. I will shut this light off. That's it. Daytime. And this dog can see even it's in the dark. Han, is it true, Han, that the dog can see in the dark?
What?
The dog can see in the dark?
You don't see a dog yet. Oh.
Huh?
Cat can see a dog later.
Okay, so the dog is kind of blind. Oh, I know that. They do black and white. I'll try to do this like that. Huh? Yeah, it's kind of weird. I'll put this right here, guys. But hindi yan ganyan ka ano. Ganyan lang siya kasi naano naman yan. Uy, napasok talaga. Dalhin ko tong laptop, guys. And the house key just in case, right? Okay, guys, we are heading to... you're not stupid. You're not stupid, guys. You're not stupid.
Well, it's not stupid, but what if it's the first time they watch it?
Oh, if you are new into this channel, Tommy's right. If you are new into this channel, I am MaryAnn and he is Tommy Moy. You can call him Tommy Moy. Good.
I'm waiting for it to finish closing.
And yeah, we are doing a reality TV show. Not the TV show. We are doing a daily vlog, guys. Daily vlog kami, guys. And so yan, if you are new into this channel, hi po sa inyo. And this is Tommy Moy. Okay, don't forget, Tommy Moy. You can just say, tell me more, tell me more. Ahi, ahi. Tell me more, tell me more. And did you see how pretty is that round red thing?
You know, the little berries.
Is that berries?
Yeah, the birds will eat them, but I don't know. I think they may be poisonous.
for human.
Yeah, maybe poisonous for birds too. Maybe that's why they're not gone.
Yung,
You found apples on this tree, and I don't know why there would be apples and berries on the same tree. They're not the same tree.
I think they do it like
Hybrid?
Yeah.
Don't make sense.
Oh no, I think they plant it side to side. Even this one, look, did you see?
Oh, so the apple tree is next to it.
Yeah. Look, they planted the same thing.
Yeah,
See?
there's little apples on.
Yeah, there's still a lot of apples there. Right?
That thing should be coming again tomorrow. Hopefully this time it's actually in the package and not just
Hey,
an empty pack.
seatbelt. That's it, guys. There's a lot of leaves everywhere, guys. Lot of leaves. There's nothing over there, no one. This apple is nothing compared to where we went. The apple orchard. Crazy.
I think the
You get the check? It's not raining,
company
right?
never should have shipped it that way. No. Company should have shipped it in an envelope. That was just stupid. Because I don't think anybody would steal. Nobody would steal a ballast. Every light fixture uses a different ballast. So.
No, what the frick is squirrel?
You didn't see him lying there?
No, I thought he's dead. The frick. Luckily he went in that
Trying to
side.
get the food. What? Why should there be another dead one here?
Why? What the heck is it? Freaking squirrel
Well, it's that time of
everywhere.
year where they're going crazy looking for food. Because they go around and collect all the nuts or something and find it and store them in the winter. Otherwise, they all winter long they'll be starving. So squirrels are pretty smart. You know.
Dito na kami, guys. Nag-i-edit lang ako ng video. Yeah. Kami dyan. Edit. Welcome to Freedy's World. We're in Freedy's World right now. Freedy's World. Hello, baby. Hello. Tamimoy. Yeah. Oh God. Nakaandar yung sasakyan, guys. Hello, guys. Nasasad ako. Sobrang sad ko dahil si Loba, yung ininbita niya ako, may ano kasi, may dancing daw, 52nd Grand Gala Dance Dinner, something like that. And, hold on, ang ingay naman itong kapitbahay nito eh. Ginawa nila yung bahay nila. Ininbita niya ako. Guys, gusto kong sumali. Sabi ko kay Tami, gusto kong sumamahan. Kahit hindi kasi weekend yung trabaho ni Tami, so hindi siya makaano. Sabi ko, gusto kong sumama talagahan. So, andito kami ngayon sa bahay ni Bianan. Sa bahay ni sister-in-law. So, tinanong ko yung asawa niya kung kailan yung ano. Kasi alam ko kasi, 2 weekend daw ng October daw sa akin yung si Bianan kasi meron silang atin na wedding. So, weekend lang. So ngayon pala, 12, and then the next weekend, 12, and then 12, weekend, wala sila sa akin si Bianan. So, ano na naman, aalis na naman sila for the next weekend. 25, 26, 27, wala sila dito. So, sa akin si Bianan. So, ngayon, sabi ko, maghanap sila ng magbantay. Kasi hindi talaga ako naka-attend. Naka-attend ako matagal sa Florida, pero hindi talaga ako naka-attend ng mga ganito, yung mga Filipino gathering, ganun. Hindi talaga ako naka-attend. So, naka-attend ako talaga matagal na sa Florida. It was 11 years ago. Yeah, so yun. Pero sabi ni Tami, wala na tayong magawa kasi never ito nangyari sa akin. So, meron na tayong mga Pilipino na makilala. It's just ginawa ko. Si Tami sabi niya, wala na tayo. Okay, next time na lang Sabi ko, wala din akong dress. Wala na din akong magagawa. Alangan, iwan ko sa Bianan. Ano mangyari, ako pang dahilan. So ngayon, hindi tayo alis. Pasensya na talaga, lo, if you're watching. Next time na lang, Christmas. Christmas, mahirap din pag Christmas eh. Inimbita ako nilo Christmas daw. Mahirap din pag Christmas kasi family. Itong family na to, always get together. So, mahirap din iwan. Si Tami, hindi yan sasama. Off ni Tami Christmas, guys, pero hindi yan sasama mga ganyan kasi priority yan yung family. Priority niya. So yun. Mag-gets naman natin yan.
I just want you to know.
Hintayin ko lang si Tami. Kasi guys, alam nyo yung dialysis dito, sabi pa nila, kailangan daw ni Bianan ng magbantay talaga na nakaupo. Kasi paminsan itong si Bianan, nakalimutan niya na yung mga nilalagay sa ano niya, nilalagay sa kamay niya dito is para dialysis, and then makalimutan ni Bianan, and then ipo-pull down niya, so natatakot yung mga dialysis dito. May isang nurse dito na sobrang maldita talaga dito siya, as in, yan yung palaging parang magagalit siya kapag early kami, magagalit siya kapag late si Bianan, ganun, para maldita talaga siya ng ano, babae siya na nurse pero boyish, tomboy ba, maldita lagi siya do, as in. While waiting for Tommy doon sa ano, dialysis, I went to the grocery store. Very close lang siya. So, I decided to get some shrimp, lamb, and zucchini. So, yun lang yung binili ko. My husband want lamb. And I'll put this in the freezer.
Big ass shrimps?
Yeah.
Not really that big, though, but okay.
Huh? You want it? Okay, I'll put this in the freezer, okay? Naisipan ko lang na, ay, lauwi kami, and then wala akong ano, meat na defrost or something. Ganyan kami, guys. Most of this anyway is chicken, yung mga andito. Chicken, ganon. And so, yung binili ko lamb, kasi gusto ni Tami. So, pinapili ko siya, anong gusto mo, lamb or shrimp, sabi niya. Lamb daw. So, alam ko naman na lamb yung gusto niya. At saka gusto ko rin yung lamb. Next time na lang yung shrimp. Gawan ko sana siya ng ano, nakalimutan ko bumili. I forgot to get you some tuna. I plan to make you tuna salad. I forgot, love.
Without tuna, you can't.
I know. Because you just keep giving it to your kids. So look what happens. You don't have nothing.
Okay.
Huh?
Make them happy.
Oh, and then makes you sad. Hmm?
Yeah, I'll live.
They live so, Han. Are you serious? Anyway, guys, so pahinga lang kami. Kakain lang siya. Ako din, I'm going to have snacks. Let's try this bread, Han. Ginger ale. I'm going to eat outside, Han. You going with me?
I'm not going to be real happy about that.
Huh?
I'm not going to be happy about that.
Why? It's not morning.
You said, but you're having bread and you're eating it outside.
Ako talaga to, guys, kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko sa kahuhuot kasi sobrang huot. Ito sa bathroom, ilagay ko tong, I think bukas na. Dito natin ilagay itong flower base. Ang bigat nito, guys, crystala. Ang babaeng buntis. I don't know where my husband. I don't know where he is, guys. I lost him. Wala si Sir Tommy mo eh. I don't know. Hala. And then, mag-colog na naman ako dito. And then, dito na naman sa taas. Dito na naman. Para siyang ano ba? Dalawang koloran. Yan. And then, ilagay natin ito. Kukunin lang natin itong mga ito. Ididikurat talaga. Yan, guys. Okay na siya. Ganito. I think Tami nandun sa basement. I think andun siya sa basement. Okay na to. Ilagay natin sa ano. Look. Ayan. Itong flower. Doon na to sa kitchen. Hold on, guys, ha. Sa gitna ng bagyo. Sa gitna. Gusto ko lagyan pa dito ng mga parang anong tawag nito, guys? Yung dito, yung ilagay sa palibot, yung pumpkin na plastic. Maganda naman siya, diba? Okay lang naman. Ang nakaano lang sa kanya is mataas yung vase, yung flower vase. Okay lang yan. Pasko na naman. Excited na ako, guys. Alam nyo, guys, plano ko sa Pasko, bibili ako ng Christmas tree. Aloy, ba't ang oily ng face ko? Litsyo na puti. Excited ako. Han! You're not breathing. Natutulog, hindi huminga. Paminsan kasi ganyan yan. Kasi kapag matutulog yan, tignan ko talaga kasi hindi huminga paminsan. Anyway, so excited ako sa Christmas kasi gusto ko, ayaw ko na gamitin yung old Christmas tree nila kasi hindi sira na siya and wala nang light, as in mag-ano-ano na ako ng light. So ang plano ko is bibili ako ng different Christmas tree. Ngayon na andito na yung table, pwede na natin siya ilagay sa table, yung Christmas tree. Itong center table, ito yung ginagamit doon sa isang bahay na ilagay yung Christmas tree sa taas ng table na to. Yan. Sobrang strong kasi yan. So, kahit anong Christmas tree na 6 footers, mataas pa sa 6 footers yun. Sana may ano. Ang problema nito, kapag bibili ka pa Christmas, ang mahal. Ang mura naman kapag tapos na yung Christmas. Kaya last year, gusto ko sana bumili yung puti, pero ayaw ng tummy ng puti. Love. Love, love. Love. There's something happening, love. My heart is aching, love. My heart is aching, hoy. Hoy ka, hoy. Dinididma ako, guys. Didma lurch man kahan. You did, mommy. Hugas pag may time. You're so lummy, sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap pag-ibig mo kasi na naman. Da-da-da-dan-da-dan, da-dan-da-dan, da-da-da-dan, da-da-da-dan. Merry Christmas to you. Happy birthday to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas to you. Yeah, it's a really good thing. I don't have to think of a tune. I can use the birthday one. Sir Bell Bell. Is that right? Sir Bell Bell. Okay. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling. Hear them ring. It will be on Christmas Day. City sidewalk, busy sidewalk. Da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun. I don't know. I like that song, but I don't really know the lyrics, the whole thing. Christmas, huh? Now I have to think of Christmas intro. Now I'm thinking, I've been thinking of doing Christmas intro, guys, for my video, a vlogmas thing, eh? And even though I don't video every day, I don't make a video or I don't vlog every day, but I do upload every day. Silver Bill, not Sir Bill Bill. You know what is Bill Bill, honey? It's a Billy Pat. Billy Pat, Bill. Sir Bill Bill. Silver. No, I don't. Han, I'm not making fun. I'm excited for Christmas, baby. I'm excited.
Who's in my spot?
Who is it, Tommy?
Who is in my spot?
Okay, minarinate ko lang siya, guys, and then lulutuin natin ito mamaya. Mamaya pa naman yan lutuin, oy. Hindi man ngayon dapat. Liter pa yan ba? Liter. Luto tayo ng ano, guys. Zucchini while Tommy is watching Nightmare Before Christmas. It's so weird. I don't know why he's watching. So, luto tayo zucchini. Mamaya na itong ano. Ito siya, guys. Kami lang naman ni Tami dalawa. So, garlic. Dream on. Onion. Lagyan natin ng kaunting garlic powder. And then show. Okay guys, ito yung dinner natin. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung lamb kapag luto na siya. Okay? So, masarap ito guys, crunchy. Parang nagpa-fry talaga siya, nagba-brownie. There you go guys. Brown lang siya guys. Yun yung pinakagusto ko, yung brown. Yan, tapos na. And very juicy siya. Yan, ang ulam at saka rice. And then, yan yung gulay natin. Ready filming. Take one.
I'm doing a shout out tonight for all the people who share, or at least the list of people I got who share videos, and we appreciate that. If you like the video and you share it with other people. So here's a shout out goes to Suzanne Texan DeFeo, Cheryl Serbo, Lynn Kapambi, Shirley Tonag Benasisto, Elizabeth Ortesio Suarez Balbuena, Jen Lee, Nonalin Alaska Hasicolan, Esterico Casnayo, Lalai Racho Stango, Marlin Sinchioco Castello, Wilma P. Petuta, Mary Jane Pernia, Ann B. Soyosa,
Yeah.
Yana Ruiz, Margus Samante Wait, Clarabelle Abelgas, Joy T. Marcos, Horace Nen, Nita Suarez, Junio Cernada Daisy. And if I pronounce any names wrong, I apologize. I'm really not.
He's not really
good.
apologize.
Not all that great either. The person who writes up this listen to the
Are you kidding me? I have a good handwriting. You guys, I don't even understand.
It's sort of a good handwriting. Yeah, it's a good handwriting.
I have a good hand. I was a secretary, Han.
Secretary of what?
In that school a lot. Anyway, guys. So, guys, thank you guys so much for sharing. If you guys sharing the link that I put on my Facebook page, and then you share it in your Facebook wall, you can do it public, guys, that people can also see it, and I will really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and yep, it's a big help, guys, sharing my video on Facebook in your wall. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Please, she's putting stuff you enjoy, but I'm sure whatever it is that's funny is making fun of me. But that's okay, because I don't watch them. I'm not on Facebook.
Yeah, I'm lucky that he's not on Facebook, guys. Tami, guys, nanonood ng mga horror movie, and he want to watch the horror more movies. Han, what the heck are you looking? He really is looking for a killer vacation. Honey, you have to shut it off. Killer vacation. Han? Romantic. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog because my husband has been watching this killing thing. We're gonna end this vlog because he's leaving. And yes, guys, it's
yes, he's leaving. That time of day.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.